Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Unity 3D. In our last lecture, we learned in detail about the Unity user interface, what are all the different layouts we have and how can we customize the layout. Now, in today's lecture, we will be understanding how to navigate in Unity. So you can be doing navigating in Unity in three ways. First way is using scene gizmo. Second way is by using hand tool, and third way by using directional keys on your keyboard. So let us understand in detail how can we use any one of these three ways to navigate in our editor. So make sure like you have opened your scene. In the last lecture, we have created one project called sample. I'm using the same thing, and this is the default interface or default editor that has been available. We also learned in the last lecture how to change the editor. So I am in a default editor. So this is my scene window. If you want to have see the game window, you can click here, and this is the game window or scene window. Now first let us see how to navigate using a scene gizmo. So this is called on your right top corner of your scene window. You can see X value, axis, Y axis and Z axis orientation it is shown. This is referred as scene gizmo. And maybe for your scene, it may not be highlighted. That means it has been locked. To unlock that, you can click on the lock symbol, which will help in locking and unlocking the scene gizmo. So if it is locked, you cannot work with this scene gizmo. If it is unlocked, you can work with scene gizmo. Now, to understand this even more better, let me add one object. How to add objects and all you are going to understand in future. As now, let me create one 3D object cube. So a cube has been added. Now you can see by default for this cube, it has been selected. An orange line is outline is shown. That means this object has been selected. And it is getting a green line which represents from bottom to up, which is representing your y-axis, and a red line which is representing your x-axis, and a blue line which is representing your z-axis, and the same representation is followed in the scene gizmo. Now if you want to move this object, then you can select this and you can move the object from one place to the other place. You're just selecting this object and you're moving this object. Now if you want to see in different directions, to see this in different angles, you are seeing in one view, but if you want to see in different directions, you can click here. Coming to the scene gizmo, if you click, you will be seeing this one in multiple directions, in different directions. You can see top view. You can also observe here it is showing top view, front view, left view, like that. You can click and you can have different ways of viewing this one. This is by using scene gizmo. I hope you could able to do that. Right? Now, if you come to the default one, click on the middle, you will come to this view, and or else you can double click on this one. So this is the cube. Now, if you want to, you have another way of viewing this object in 360 degrees. If you want to see, you can use your mouse. Click on the mouse left button. If you click on the mouse left button, you can see the arrow mark, the mouse arrow mark is changed with I symbol. Now if you click, if you move, you can see you will be seeing in different angles, top, bottom, left, right. You can see in different angles. You can rotate. You can see. Did you see? Like this. So you need to do what? Click on the mouse right button, and then you can rotate your, or like you can see, navigate your object in 360 degrees angle. Now on the same mouse button, you will be having, on the same mouse, you will be having a circle. You will be having a, so you can do, if you are scrolling, then you can zoom in or you can zoom out the object. I hope you could able to understand this one. So right button is to navigate or you can see in different directions, and scroll button is to zoom in and zoom out. I hope you could able to do this one by using scene gizmo and your mouse. Now once you are in a particular location, you don't want to perform any rotations, you can lock your scene gizmo and you can fix that. This is first way. Now going to the second way. Second way is by using a hand tool. How can you use that one? To have a hand tool, you can see here on your screen, you have multiple options available here. You can see a hand tool available. If you click on this hand tool, you will your the cursor point is changed to hand tool, and if you click, you can did you see you can move the scene. You can navigate the scene. Navigate. Again, if you click left, you can rotate. You can see in 360 degrees. Zoom in and zoom out. Right click. Right click means you can change the position. You are moving your scene left to right. Not changing the position of the object. You are moving the scene window left side and right side. I hope you could be able to do this one. This is the second way. And the third way is by using directional keys on your keyboard. So on your keyboard, you might have you have your up arrow, down arrow, left and right. Now if you click up arrow, you will be moving up. If you click down arrow, you will be moving down. You will be moving down. Up arrow, you will be moving up of the scene window. Down arrow, you will be moving down of the scene window. Left arrow, right arrow means you will be moving right side of your scene window. Left arrow means you'll be moving right side of your scene window. If you want to come to the original position, double click on that object. You will come to the original position. So this is how you can navigate in the scene window in Unity. I hope you all could able to do this one using scene gizmo, using hand tool and using directional keys on your keyboard. If you still feel any doubts, let me know in the comment box. I'm very happy to help you all. With this, we'll come to an end of today's lecture. Let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you.